Alright, take 2, Hurricane Dolly. It is a Category 2 hurricane. Winds at about, somewhere between 80 and 90 miles an hour. Maybe not right now, this is a lower force of the wind. You can see those trees over there getting blown around. And if you look at the ground closely, you can see the waves of the rain just passing on by. So far there's minimal flooding, not too bad. We are expected to get the outer rim of the hurricane and get hit with some pretty hard rain later on. Probably within the next hour or so I'll be out here again taping it. You can see the rain and the wind flying off the roof of the house too. Wow, it's getting a lot stronger now. Look at the street. It's moving faster than it was earlier.
It's gonna shut down the computer.
Okay.
Is that okay? Is that okay? Now the ice like already over us, like above us. It's gonna hit somewhere up, like Willacy County. Which means we don't get a break. We're gonna get non-stop rain.